Hey folks, today, we'll create a quick Python script to generate ASCII art using the pyfiglet library on Fedora. It's a fun way to add a creative touch to your text. Let's get started. Make sure the following prerequisites are installed. Now, let's create the Python script. We'll name it art.py using the Nano text editor. Here's our simple Python script. You can find the full script in the description below. To save and exit Nano, press Ctrl+X, then press Y to confirm saving, and finally press Enter. Now, let's run the script. I'll enter a text and choose a font to demonstrate. If you enjoyed this quick tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and leave a comment if you want to see more Python tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.